First, we're gonna do a make one left, and this is the easier of the two make ones to do, and it's the one that I do if a pattern only says make one, I just presume to do a make one left because I think it's easier to execute than a make one right.
So to work a make one, you work in the running thread between 2 stitches. See that line of thread right there in between my needles?
We're gonna pick up this running thread and work into it. So the way we're gonna work into it to make a make one left is I'm gonna remember the mnemonic. I'll be right back. I left through the front door. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my left needle to the front of the work, and then I'm gonna bring it underneath that strand of yarn, that running thread, and it now looks like I have a yarn over on my needle. If I were to just knit into it, I would get a hole in my work. Well, I don't want a hole, so what do? Well, I'm going to work into this running thread so that it twists and it closes any hole. I'm going to do a purposeful twisted stitch. So to do that, I have my yarn up on the needle. You'll notice the right leg of that yarn is here on the front of the needle. So I'm going to take my right needle and I'm going to work through the back leg, knit my stitch, and now I have a new stitch right there. The right leg is crossing over the left leg of that stitch I just created, which makes it left leaning. So I have a left leaning make one, okay?